Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to auto block message from unknown number on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel annoyed because there are continuous incoming message from unknown number or spam message, well, you can filter message so that they are automatically blocked when there are message from unknown number. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that I have to do is now you can go to message menu on your phone, and then now you can click on account, and then now you can go to spam and block, and then so yeah, now you can click three dots on the right top and go to block numbers, and then here now you can block calls or message from unknown numbers. So yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.